Okay, students, our next topic is general classification of organic compounds. General classification of organic compounds. Look here, organic compounds classified into two categories. One is open chain compounds. Open chain compounds, these are also called acyclic compounds. Acyclic compounds. Next category is what? Cyclic compounds. The cyclic compounds, also called closed compounds, are also called ring compounds. Ring compounds. Now look here, open chain compounds again categorized into two, that are saturated compounds, and next one unsaturated compounds. Unsaturated compounds. Now ring compounds or cyclic compounds again classified into two categories. One is homocyclic or homocyclic compounds, and next category is heterocyclic compounds. Heterocyclic compounds. Now homocyclic compounds again classified into two categories, that are alicyclic compounds. Alicyclic compounds. And next one is aromatic compounds. Aromatic compounds. Aromatic compounds again classified into two categories, benzenoid compounds. Benzenoid compounds and non-benzenoid compounds. Non-benzenoid compounds. So this is general classification. Now see here, under saturated compounds, some examples I will give for all those categories. Saturated compounds examples, best examples are alkanes. These having only sigma bonds. Unsaturated compounds. Unsaturated compounds examples are alkenes, alkynes, etc. Next to alicyclic compounds, what? Other than aromatic compounds, means you can understand ongoing organic chemistry. I will give some examples: cyclobutane, cyclohexane, cyclopentane, like that. Now aromatic compounds, benzenoid compounds means benzene, naphthalene and anthracene, like that. Benzene, naphthalene and anthracene, like that. Examples comes under benzenoid compounds. See, non-benzenoid compounds means benzene ring absent. Benzene ring is absent. That are tropone, propolone, many azulines and etc. Examples comes under non-benzenoid compounds. And next heterocyclic compounds, very simple: pyridine, furan, thiophene, pyrimidine, pyrrole, quinoline, isoquinoline, indole, like that. Examples all are comes under heterocyclic compounds. Heterocyclic compounds may be aromatic and anti-aromatic. This is not much important, just I given. So next, again classification of organic compounds based on functional groups. Classification of organic compounds based on functional groups. See, approximately total 40 functional groups are there. Total 40 functional groups are there. See, one by one I will discuss. Look carefully. First, alkane, ane. Alkanes. Alkanes functional group is what? Just single bonds. So these are alkanes functional groups. Next, alkenes. Alkenes, double bond must ensure. This is alkane functional group. This is alkene functional group. Next, alkadienes. This is 1 and this is 2. This is next 3. Alkadienes. Alkadienes. See, alkadienes are 3 types. Cumulated dienes, conjugated dienes, and next one, isolated dienes. Very simple thing. Cumulated dienes means double bonds adjacent carbon atoms. Double bonds are present at adjacent double bonds. Double bonds are present at adjacent carbon atoms. So this is called cumulated dienes. Next, conjugated dienes. Between the double bonds, one sigma bond is separated. This is conjugated. Conjugated means what? One sigma bond is separated by double bonds. One sigma bond is separated by double bonds. Here carbon tetravalency, that's why I am putting hydrogens. Now next, isolated double bonds means between the double bonds maybe 2 or more sigma bonds are present. Between the double bonds 2 or more sigma bonds are present. CH, CH2, CH, double bond, C, like this. Isolated double bonds means more than 2 sigma bonds or 2 sigma bonds are present between the double bonds. So this is one of the functional groups. Alkenes. Fourth one is what? Alkenes. Alkenes. Ene is there, ine is there. Ene means double bond. Ene means double bond. Ine means triple bond. See here, alkenes means C double bond, C, C triple bond, C. So one double bond and one triple bond is must and should. One double bond and one triple bond must and should in a organic compound. Then that are called alkenes. Next, alkynes. Fifth one is alkynes. Alkyne, ine means triple bond. So simple thing, C triple bond C. Next one, alcohols. So from here very important, listen carefully. Alcohols are OH. This functional group is called what? Alcohol. Next one, ethers. Ethers are OR. This functional group is called ether. Ether. I am writing very clearly. Look carefully and observe what I am writing. Next one, aldehydes. Aldehydes are C double bond O H. Or C double bond O H, aldehyde. Next, ketone are C double bond O R. It is ketone. R C double bond O R, ketone. Very simple thing. C double bond with one hydrogen, aldehyde. C double bond O with no hydrogen, ketone. That are the important. Next, 10th one, carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acids are C double bond O OH. This functional group is carboxylic acid. You should by heart all functional groups. Next, esters. Esters are C double bond O OR. It is ester. Next one, acid halides. Acid halides are C double bond O X. It is acid halide. Next one, acidamide. Acidamide are C double bond O NH2. Next, acid anhydride. Acid anhydride are C double bond O C double bond O R. It is anhydride. Next, acid hydrazide. Next, 15th one, acid hydrazide, acid hydrazide formula is R C double bond O NH NH2. This is acid hydrazide. Next, acid azide, azide, it is hydrazide, it is azide. Azide means what? R C double bond O N double bond N double bond N minus and plus. This is acid azide formula. So all these acid derivatives, all these are acid derivatives. Carboxylic acid, in place of OH we are putting like these groups OR, X, NH2 and O, C double bond OR, NH, NH2 and N3. So esters, acid halides, acid amides, acid anhydrides, acid hydrazide and acid azide, all are acid derivatives. Next one, halides, halide compounds RX. These organic compound is acid. This organic compound is halide compound. So this is one of the functional group. Next, 18th one, amines. Amines again 4 categories. Primary amine means R with RNH2, nitrogen with 2 hydrogens. Secondary amine, RNHR, nitrogen with 1 hydrogen. Tertiary amine, R with no hydrogens, R and R. Next, quaternary amines, nitrogen with positive charge, that lone pair also consumed. So next, 19th one, nitriles are cyanides. R C triple bond N. Nitriles are cyanides. Next, isonitriles are isocyanides. Isocyanides are N double bond triple bond C minus and plus. This is isocyanides, isonitriles. Next, thiol, 21. Thiol, also called thioalcohols, are mercaptans. Very simple. Or SH in place of alcohol, O in place of O we put S. Next one, thioacids are C double bond O. In place of O, what we need to put? It is acid. Thioacid means in place of O we need to put S, SH. Next one, hydroxamic acid, these two also acid derivatives, R C double bond O NH OH, acid or hydroxamic acid. Next, thioethers are SR. In place of O we need to put S. Next, oximes R C double bond NH NOH. Sorry, you should by heart these all functional groups. NOH. Here R. This is oxime functional group. Next, 26th, nitro compounds. Nitro compounds are NO2 nitro compounds. Next, alkyl nitrates. Alkyl nitrites are ON double bond O. Next one, alkyl sulfonic acids. Alkyl sulfonic acid. These functional groups we will discuss in organic chemistry somewhere else. R O S double bond O double bond O OH. Alkyl sulfonic acid it is. Imines. Imines formula is what? C double bond NH. This is called imines. Next, enamines. C double bond C ene and amines. Ene plus amine. Enamines. Next one, phenols. Benzene with OH. These are the phenols. Next one, enols. Enols. C double bond C. These are ene plus OH. Enols. These are the enols. Carbon tetravalency must and should. Next one, hydrazine. NH2 and NH2. Next one, cyanohydrin. C OH and Cn. Next, hydroxylamine. Why I am giving all this? You should by heart all this. Hydroxylamine NH2OH. Next, hydrozones. C double bond N NH2. Phenyl hydrozones 37. Phenyl hydrozones C double bond N NH PH. Phenyl hydrozones, these are 38. Azo compounds N double bond N bond. Next, 39. Semi-carbazide. Semi-carbazone C double bond N NH C double bond O NH2. Next, 40. Nitroso compounds. Nitroso means N double bond O. These are the functional groups. These all functional groups you should by heart. If anyone ask amines functional groups are what, then you can say that sir, amines are 4 types: primary, secondary, tertiary, quaternary amines. C. Thioethers are what? R, S, R, like that. Thank you.